Hey, it's Crypto Chelsea. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send cryptocurrency to a FIO crypto handle on the Hola Wallet. The Hola Wallet is one app for everything crypto. It's a peer-to-peer exchange where you can buy, sell, send, receive, shop, and earn, and you can easily go from cash to crypto. So first of all, you'll need to go and download the Hola Wallet in the App Store or in Google Play, and then I'm going to demo in a few moments how to use FIO Send. Now, FIO Send is an integration in the Hola Wallet that will give users the ability to easily withdraw and send cryptocurrency without the stress of copying and pasting that long string public wallet address. And so you won't have to make mistakes and everything because FIO Send is going to replace it using a human-readable address known as a FIO Crypto Handle. So if you don't have a FIO Crypto Handle, you can go and get one at dashboard.fioprotocol.io, and it's going to be in the format of username at domain. All right, so let's get into the Hola Wallet so I can show you this demo of how easy it is to use FIO Send. Okay, so now I'm on the home screen of the Hola Wallet. You can see I currently have a balance of $2.98, which is in Litecoin. So I want to use FIO Send to send out some Litecoin to my FIO crypto handle, which is going to go into my Coinbase account. So the very first step I have to do is I have to map my FIO crypto handle to my Coinbase Litecoin address. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to Coinbase and I'm going to copy my Litecoin public wallet address, and then I'm going to go to FIO. I'm going to sign in with my PIN number. And then here under Manage Handles, I have a crypto handle, which is Web3 at Wallet. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on Link. So for this, I'm going to click on Add Link. And then for the chain code, I'm going to type in Litecoin. And I'm also going to have that for the token code. And then here's where I paste my public wallet address from Coinbase. And then I'm going to click on Link Now. Once I link now, I have to also type in my PIN number to confirm. And then you can see the transactions in process and my new public address has been linked to this FIO crypto handle. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on close. And then now I can go back to the home screen of my Hola Wallet. So I'm going to click on the third icon, which is the arrow. And what I want to do is I want to demo FIO Send and send Litecoin to my FIO crypto handle. So first I'm going to click on Send. You can see you have three options in the Hola Wallet. I'm going to click on FIO Send. And then I'm going to read these instructions and then click I understand. And then next I'm going to select the token that I want to send. So I'm going to go ahead and select Litecoin. And then I'm going to just type in max because I want to send all of the Litecoin I currently hold in my wallet. I'm going to click on the arrow. And then here's where I'll enter in my FIO crypto handle. So my crypto handle is Web3 at Wallet. And then I'm going to click on the arrow. Then here's where I'll confirm what I'm going to send so I can see the amount of Litecoin. I can see where it's going, which is my FIO crypto handle. And then I can also see the public wallet address that's linked to that. And then when I'm ready to confirm, I just slide it. And you can see success. Your transfer has been confirmed, and that is it. And now that I'm back at the home screen, you can see my balance now is 0, which means that my Litecoin has been sent. Now, if you want to see a log of your recent transactions, you just scroll down to the bottom of the wallet and they'll be listed here. And you can see this is the Litecoin that I sent a few minutes ago. That's it for this video on how to use FIO Send in the Hola Wallet. Go and grab your FIO crypto handle today and try out the FIO Send withdraw feature yourself. Thanks for watching.